What is the area of Assam? 78,438, 78,348, 78,483, 78,478. Right answer is 78,438. Assam shares of India's area 2.93, 2.39, 2.49, 2.94. Right answer is 2.39. What percentage of total area of Assam is under forest? 34%, 43%, 24%, 44%. Right answer is 34%. Which of the following northeastern state share shortest boundary with Assam? Nagaland, Mizoram, Tripura, Manipur. Right answer is Tripura. The average height of Assam from sea level is 69.5 km, 79.5, 59.5, 89.5. Right answer is 79.5 km. When did Kaziranga inscribed as a UNESCO World Heritage Site? 1984, 1985, 1983, 1948. Right answer is 1985. What is population density of Assam per square kilometer? 298, 398, 340, 430. Right answer is 398. What is the area of Kaziranga National Park? 580 square kilometer, 340 square kilometer, 430 square kilometer, 468 square kilometer. Right answer is 430 square kilometer. Which of the following is not connected by border of Assam? Sikkim, Bhutan, Arunachal Pradesh, Nagaland. So right answer is Sikkim. Which district of Assam has the longest international border? Kamrup, Dhubri, Gwalpada, Tinsukia. Right answer is Dhubri.